In this chapter, we're going to take a look at a number of ways of taking your art in fireworks and turn it into a working prototype. This is something that you would present to a client or maybe even members of your work group for critique or for basically, are we on the right track? And we're going to start right at the beginning of the process. You've just laid out the pages. Now, where do you go? And we're going to start with a master page. So open up the prototype.png file located in your exercise folder and let's get to work. And when the file opens, you'll notice that it's a page that's got a sculpture or some sort of face and Xi'an and a bunch of links. And this is basically a small site for traveling a small city in China called Xi'an. This is the city where the terracotta warriors can be found. And if we go through the project, you'll see that it's composed of a number of pages. There's a tour page so people can choose tours. There's a food page so people can explore food. There's a side page here for the food page, restaurants, so people can, choose where they want to explore. And of course, there's a travel page, how to get there and how to do stuff. Now, if you'll notice, something is missing. And something that's missing is the stuff at the top. This is, if we go to the home page, it's this text here and these little text boxes here. These are going to be interactive buttons. And they really should appear on every page. Now, if you've got footers and headers, they should appear on every page too, especially if they're not going to change. And the easiest way of doing that, and the most sensible way of doing it, is to actually create a master page. Just put those on the master page and let Fireworks handle the duties for you. So let's do that right now. So you're going to select the text at the top on the home page. You're going to come to the Pages panel. And the first thing you want to do is just give yourself a new page. Just like that. It's black. Okay, don't worry about it. This has got all the properties of the document, and the properties of the document is a black canvas color, and the canvas size is the same throughout. Come to the home page, and with the text selected, on a Mac, press Command X, on a PC, Control X to cut it, and then just come to page 1 and paste what's on the clipboard into the document. Command V on a Mac, Control V on a PC. And if there's one thing I love about cutting copy and paste in Fireworks, it's almost like paste in place. It doesn't put it in the middle of the page, it just puts it right where it came from. Now this is sitting as its own separate page. You can deselect this stuff. What do we do to make this a master page? Well, there are two ways of doing it. You can right click on the page itself and you can see set as master page. Or you can come to the pop down menu here for the pages panel I should say, and select set as master page. And you notice there it goes. It's up at the top as a master page. And if we come to home, there it is, tour, food, restaurants, and travel. So we're quickly able to add common content throughout the entire document, all the pages on the document, just by simply putting that content on a master page. Now, what if you want to change it? Well, you have to change it on the page. Even though you can go to a layer, you will see that the master page layer is sitting at the bottom of every layer panel for each page in this document. Even though it's locked, you notice I can't unlock it. The only way to change content on a master page is to actually go to the Pages panel, open the master page, and make your changes there. So what I've done in this lesson is I've shown you how to add a master page to a document, which would hold stuff common to every page. Headers and footers immediately come to mind. I've shown you how to move content from a regular page that you'll design, gets put onto the master page, showed you how to create the master page, and things you can and cannot do with the master page.